Should I take the convertible? Nah, I take the vet. Let's go shopping.
I got food on my plate, in the kitchen, in the kitchen. I won't even hesitate, in the kitchen, in the kitchen. Oh, you gon' miss it if you late, in the kitchen, in the kitchen. I cook a tender sirloin steak, in the kitchen, in the kitchen. I got food on my plate, in the kitchen, in the kitchen. I won't even hesitate, in the kitchen, in the kitchen. You gon' miss it if you.
Okay, we're at this restaurant. Salto. Salto. So we're gonna try out the food today and see what it do. We're in the kitchen cooking with snow. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I think you know what I want. Give me a steak fajita and I'm gonna see what it do. You know I'm gonna get back with y'all and let y'all know what it do, for real. So let's get this meal on the table so I can check out this restaurant and I'll tell you what I think about it. We'll come back with a big old margarita with salt on the glass and I'm gonna see what the drink tastes like. But I'm gonna tell you what, whenever you go to a Mexican restaurant, you want to taste the chips and the dip, the salsa and the dip, when they bring it out to you on the table, you can always know how the food gonna taste by how the salsa and the chips taste. So when I tasted the chips and the dip, it was okay, it was a little spicy, but I taste better. So I'm gonna see how this steak fajita tastes. But right now I'm gonna start the night off with a good old margarita. They didn't have frozen ones, but you know what? I'm gonna take this one right here and I'm gonna sip on it till my steak fajita gets out here. And I will get back with y'all once again. Okay, y'all, the food is here. There's a chicken quesadilla. Let me focus in for y'all.
Burrito, buddy.
Oh, yeah, it's a burrito. And it is so huge, I don't think he can handle that. I don't think he can handle that. That's another plate over here. I don't know what she ordered, but we'll check it out. And here's the lady of the house. Right here, I don't know what that is. It looks good, but we gotta check it out. We can't never tell until we check it out. Here's
Your
one.
tortilla shells.
Tortilla.
Let me go grab steak knives for you.
Steak tortilla. Yes. So I'm gonna show you what this tastes like. It looks good, but it can always look good, but never taste good. So we'll go from there. So let's dig into this place. Okay, I don't know about this restaurant, but I know Del Grande, Kentucky, Ohio. That's the best I ever ate, ever. Like, that's the best I ate ever. Like, they give you a plate that's like super big, like this. You got 3 days worth of eating. Not only that, it tastes really good. So right now, we'll go ahead and put this thing down. But I know right now that Del Grande in Kentucky is the shit. I ain't lying to you. So I'm gonna eat this. So far, the beans and stuff are good, but the meat and stuff, they shorten me up. Not only shorten me up, but it ain't as spicy as the other stuff and seasoned as the other stuff. So El Grande wins the day. This place here is not as good. So I would advise you to maybe try another Mexican restaurant besides this one. The waitress, she asked me how was my steak fajita, and she asked me was I was a a YouTuber or something like that. She was wondering, and I told her yes, I'm a YouTuber. So she wondering what I think about my fajita. Let me clear that up a little bit. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I got a full box of food, and I'm going home with it. I might feel like eating it later on tonight while I watch a movie, but right now, I don't want to eat no more of it. But I had to be a nice guy, and I had to tell her that the food was okay. And she ought to have known that what I had left over wasn't a good sign. So, right now, I'm gonna take my food home. See it? I barely ate a lot of it, or a little of it. But I'll tell you what, the drink sucked, and tortillas and dip sucked. So, will I be back? I don't think I will be back. Will I leave a tip? I think I'll leave a tip just because I'm a generous person. But other than that, you've been in the kitchen cooking with snow. And you know what? I'm out of here. And I don't know if you want to eat at this place again, ever. Peace!
I got food on my plate. In the kitchen, in the kitchen. I won't even hesitate. In the kitchen, in the kitchen. Okay. You gon' miss it if you late. In the kitchen, in the kitchen. I cook a tender sirloin steak. Yeah. In the kitchen, yeah. In the kitchen. You got snow in the kitchen. In the kitchen, in the kitchen. I be frying up some chicken. In the kitchen, in the kitchen.